This is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Benchmade Emissary Access Lock Assisted Opening Folding Pocket Knife. This is the Emissary 470-1, which is the smaller of the two Emissary knives made by Benchmade. And they also make just the 470, which is a little larger with a 3.5 inch blade. This 470-1 has a 3-inch blade with an overall length of 6.9 inches and a handle length of 3.9 inches. So it's a smaller to mid-size type knife, really slick type, cool design that has a black CNC, black anodized, machined aluminum material handle. It has S30V blade material with dual ambidextrous right and left hand opening thumb studs. It is a clip point blade design with a flat grind, satin finish and a plain edge. It has a choil at the back side of the blade that allows you to clinch up on the blade to do some finer work, and it allows my large to extra large hand to fit nicely around the handle, where if I just use the handle itself and go behind the blade protector on the handle, my large to extra large hand has a little trouble. My finger wants to slip off the handle of the 3.9 inch length handle. It has the Benchmade access lock that locks the knife up very well, and it has a secondary lock that can turn it into a semi-fixed blade when open, and that secondary lock also locks up when it's closed to avoid any accidental opening while carrying. The spring assisted mechanism works very nicely. There's a nice cutaway in the handle so you can access the thumb studs very nicely. It is a tip-up carry design with a larger stainless steel carrying clip that can be put either on the back side or the front side of the handle, right or left hand carry. There's a small lanyard hole in the rear of the handle. Has great milling on the handle. It's a closed back type handle design, two-piece. The handle thickness is 0.45 inches, so it's nice and thin. The knife is lightweight in that it comes in at 2.2 ounces. It is a Osborne design. It's just a very nice little piece. EDC, gentleman's type carry. I would give it high recommendations. If you're looking for a smaller size, really quality built Benchmade, this might just fit your ticket. It is the Benchmade Emissary Access Lock Assisted Opening Folding Pocket Knife with an aluminum black anodized handle, S30V blade material, lightweight 2.2 ounces, the 470-1 All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. Bye now.